Is it time to buy or sell Yieldmax MSTR Optionome Strategy Exchange Traded Fund? In this video, we are diving deep into Yieldmax MSTR Optionome Strategy Exchange Traded Fund. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of June, 2025, our system has classified the Yieldmax MSTR Optionome Strategy ETF as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.54. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this timeframe. The ETF has incurred a loss of -7.21%. This equates to an average daily loss of -2.40% since it was identified as a sell candidate. The ETF is positioned within a robust and broad rising trend, indicating a potential for further upward movement in the short term. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 11% over the next 3 months, with potential returns fluctuating between nearly 2% and 41%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of about -13%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -31% to +75% over the coming year. This translates to a future price expectation ranging from approximately $14.19 to $36.06. Our latest daily update for the Yieldmax MSTR Optionome Strategy ETF includes the headline, Yieldmax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF price up 1.58% on Friday. The Yieldmax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF price gained 1.58% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 6th of June, 2025. The price rose from $20.27 to $20.59. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 2.55%, with a low of $20.34 and a high of $20.86. The price has seen ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 10.79% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 3 million shares, with a total of 14 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $287,830,000. It is important to note that falling volume amidst rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $46.50, while the lowest price was $17.10. Currently, the price is 55.72% or $25.91 below the 52-week high of $46.50, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Yieldmax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF, or MSTY, continues to attract attention with its significant annual yield, which currently sits at approximately 143%. This ETF's appeal lies in its focus on microstrategy, combining U.S. Treasury bonds with options on its stock. This unique structure not only seeks to maintain substantial monthly payouts, but also allows for active management that enhances yield potential, especially during volatile market conditions. Recent announcements from Yieldmax note that MSTY is providing a distribution of $1.47 per share, translating to a remarkable yield of 85.27%. The fund's innovative strategy harnesses the volatility of MicroStrategy stock, tying into the well-known Bitcoin market dynamics, which could further drive growth. In the short term, MSTY's high yield is likely to attract a wave of income-focused investors, pushing up its price as demand increases. However, the reliance on MicroStrategy exposes investors to considerable risk, particularly if the underlying stock falters. Thus, while the immediate outlook appears promising with strong payouts, Potential volatility may raise concerns among risk-averse investors. In the long run, the sustainability of MSTY's yield hinges on the performance of MicroStrategy and market conditions surrounding Bitcoin. As the broader market environment remains favorable for cryptocurrencies, MSTY could continue to thrive, although investors should remain cautious of the inherent risks associated with its aggressive strategies. Overall, MSTY's current yield and performance could solidify its position as a compelling option for those willing to navigate the ups and downs of the market. The following signals have been identified for the Yieldmax MSTR Optionome Strategy Exchange-Traded Fund. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025, and so far it has risen 1.58%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is identified. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite the rise in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Additionally, some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence the short-term development. The Yieldmax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative outlook for the ETF. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $21.51 and $22.93. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivot showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger also indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average revealed a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 8 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average revealed a buy signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 94 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Yieldmax MSTR Optionome Strategy ETF. Yieldmax MSTR Option Income Strategy finds support from accumulated volume at $20.27. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This ETF typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with healthy trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by 518 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which equates to 2.55%. In the past week, the ETF exhibited a daily average volatility of 2.89%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Yieldmax MSTR Optionome Strategy ETF. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Yieldmax MSTR Optionome Strategy ETF is at $21.52. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Yieldmax MSTR Optionome Strategy ETF encounters its first support level at $20.27. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Currently, we hold a negative assessment for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop loss established. Is Yieldmax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF a good buy? The Yieldmax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF shows several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that it will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 9th of June, we expect the Yieldmax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF to open higher by 601 ten-thousandths and start trading at $20.60. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.